Hi, in this video I want to show you how we can embed our YouTube videos directly into Blackboard so that our students can watch them inside of our Blackboard lesson spaces and don't have to go out to YouTube separately. Now, here on the screen you can see we just finished uploading a video and we get automatically presented with this. Now right here is the video link, and we can just hit this button to copy the link to our clipboard if we wanted to paste that somewhere to save it or send it out to students, and then they could watch it in YouTube. But if we want to put things into Blackboard, what we're looking for is this embed icon here on the front. So we click that and it will open up a thing here, and what we want is all of this code. Don't get intimidated by it because YouTube built all of that for us. We can leave all of this alone if we want the whole video. You could change this start at and pick a certain time if you want to not start at the beginning of the clip. And we can go ahead and just hit copy. So all of that code is now put into our clipboard. And there's other preferences here if you want. Now, let's say we didn't just upload a video and we're looking at a YouTube video. This could be any YouTube video. If we come down along the first line here, there is an icon here for share. And if we click on that, it opens up the same kind of thing. Here is the YouTube link. If we need to share that, we can click on embed and it opens up the same thing. We can hit copy. And now we've got our embed code. So now let's go into Blackboard. So let's say I've already got Blackboard structured and I'm inside of where I want it. And here's my little fake lesson. This is just a content area, content folder. So this is a blank one. So let's say I want to build content. There are ways to do video. What I found works best though is to use an item, which is where we can put text and whatnot. So we're going to give it a title. Let's just call this our lecture video and come down into our area. Now by using an item like this instead of just a video, we can put some other text around it. Please watch this video lecture. And we could even put some material after it. So students who maybe didn't watch the video, or if they're taking notes, we can put, key points, 1, 2, 3, make those a bulleted list, maybe something just to help guide students. But let's say I want to put the video right here in the middle. On these options, there is one here that looks like a little piece of film. So we go ahead and click on that. Okay, so that's going to open up a new window that shows us this input box. What we want to do is take the drop down and you're going to change that to iframe. Now once we pick iframe, then we click on source tab. And it's already populated a blank frame in there, but we're going to go ahead and delete that and then paste in the code that we copied over from YouTube. Now when we go back to general, before we move on, we'll make sure that our video shows up here. We could change the dimensions if we wanted to. I like to keep the defaults. But once that's there, we just go ahead and click insert, and then it'll push it back into our Blackboard. There's now a placeholder here that shows us where that video goes in our material. And we could put in a second video if we wanted, or pictures or more things to support this lesson to help our students learn. There are other options here, just like normal Blackboard, and all the way down at the bottom we click submit. And now that is populated into Blackboard, and this is built right in. The students can come in and see the video and just click play and be able to watch it right there with all the rest of our content around it, which again is why I find it useful to use an item and put some other key things around it to help guide the students in what they're doing. All right, so that's all I have on that. That's all it takes to get our videos into Blackboard, just copying that embed code. Take care.